We have some big news coming. Government sources on adverse events after AstraZeneca vaccine. In a meeting of the state-level monitoring committees held on Tuesday, the Union Health Ministry said states and union territories told to do close monitoring of adverse events following immunization and block level and district levels. In fact, these to be done for both Covaxin as well as Covishield in India. Meeting of the national level monitoring committee on adverse events is currently underway. Milind Sharma joining us live. More details on that. Milind, we are looking at government now speaking up on the adverse events reported after AstraZeneca vaccine in the European Union countries. A high-level meeting has been called upon where they're going to be discussing thoroughly on what exactly is the link between the vaccine and the adverse events faced by some of the people here. States, union territories told to do close monitoring of these adverse events. But here the question is, we're looking at over 1.5 months of the vaccination drive that began, and several people did fall ill post the vaccination. Has anything come about during the last few weeks after adverse events were reported, even in the past up to now?
Well, Nabila, on Tuesday, there was a state-level monitoring committee meeting that was held with the Union Health Ministry, wherein states and union territories have been told to closely monitor all those who are being vaccinated in the country. At this point, we are vaccinating those above the age of 60 and those above the age of 45. But the sense that they are not being closely monitored post-vaccination was mentioned in this meeting, and which is why states have been told and the health departments have been told to monitor them at the very district and the block level at which the DMs and other officials are looking at the vaccination program. Very importantly, Covaxin and Covishield monitoring for both, but specifically for Covishield, we know as of now, out of the total number of people vaccinated in India, 90% have been vaccinated with Covishield, which is the Serum Institute and Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine in the country. So that's a huge number. Only 10% have been vaccinated with Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, which is why the government now moving on the front foot and asking states to deploy as many teams to monitor the situation of adverse events. Also, a national level meeting is currently underway in the Health Ministry on the adverse events. Back to you.
Well, thank you very much for joining us with those details, Milind. We're looking at the government now holding high-level meet to see what kind of adversities have developed after the vaccine across the country. Block level officers have been asked to monitor, block and district level officers have been asked to closely monitor all adverse effects owing to the vaccine. Whether it's related to the vaccine or it's independent, all that will be found out and declared in due course of time.